Okay, sit down. How are you? Fine. So what's your name?
My name is Suresh.
Your name is Swadesh. What he said?
And he said that his name was Sudesh.
His name was Swadesh. So he said, sit down. Sit down. He said, my name is Swadesh. And Satya told, Madam, he said that his name was So are you finding any difference between the sentence? Yes. So what is the difference? Here is that, here is and here is was. But both sentences are sense. The sentence gives you sense, but it changed the tense. Here is, here was. So both are speech. Speech means, what is speech? Speech is a sentence. So this speech is divided into two parts. One is direct speech and indirect speech. Understood? So what is direct speech? Here you say he. He is a subject or speaker of the sentence. What he is saying? My name is Swadesh. So after that you see one comma is here and it is the speaker's speech. Understood? And it is within inverted comma. This after the speaker there is a verb. Understood? What is it called? Reporting verb. Reporting verb. So it is called reported speech. So what is direct speech? Who can say? When the speaker says directly. When the speaker, who is the speaker? That is Swadesh is the speaker. He told that, Madam, my name is Swadesh. Understood? And you reported the speaker's speech. So it is direct speech or indirect speech? Loudly? Sure. Because you are reporting the speaker's speech. Understood? So when the speaker says directly, it is direct speech. When someone is reporting the speaker's speech, it is indirect speech. Understood this much? So we narrate the speaker's speech. Yes, we narrate the speaker's speech. That is why it is called narration. What? Narration. So you remember when you speakers speaks something, that reported speech must be within inverted comma. When we are and the first letter must be capital. Remember note down the rules. Must be capital letter. And there is after reporting verb it should be one comma. Understood? So when we are narrating the report speech, when we are narrating the speaker's speech, so comma should be omitted and the inverted comma should be, apostrophe should be omitted, and we should start from small letter. Understood? And there are some rules for narration. what are the rules when in the tense side? Write down some rules. If your direct speech and indirect speech, when your direct speech is simple present, so many rules are there. Slowly I will inform you. It will be what? Simple past. Write down. Speak loudly if you know. If it is present progressive, it will be very nice past progressive. So who can say what is another name of a progressive? Continuous. Very good. Continuous. When it is present perfect, it will be nice past perfect. When it is present perfect progressive, it will be note down and remember. So this is very important, you remember. When your direct speech is simple past, what will be? It will be past perfect. Remember this one. Only this is very important. It will be past perfect. When it is past progressive, it will be this much you have to remember. Past perfect progressive. Put star mark here because it will be eye catching and it should be remembered. Then if it is past perfect, it will be same what? Past perfect. If it is past perfect progressive, it should be so you have to note down this much and remember these things. Next class I will teach you how the verb will be changed. Shall to be changed into should, can, could, will, would, may, might, like this. Understood? If it is today in your direct speech, what will be indirect speech? That day. Now, then. Yesterday, the day before, the previous day, the last day. Tomorrow, the day after, the next day, the following day. Like this, we have to write so many things. So, today you note down and remember these things. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
सीमा तू प्लस टू पर कौन करिवु?
बीएससी नर्सिंग
आउ तू?
MRT,
तू?
बीएससी ऑप्टोमेट्री
तू कौन करिवु?
BSc in Medical Laboratory Technology,
रिया तू?
बीएससी इन ईएमटी
तू?
BSc in Anesthesia Technology.
आउ तू?
बीएससी इन ऑपरेशन थिएटर टेक्नोलॉजी।
अच्छा रोजी तू कौन पढ़िबू?
मु तो बीपीटी पढ़िबी।
अच्छा मैं कोठी पढ़िबा?
साई नर्सिंग एंड हेल्थ साइंस कॉलेज।
साई हेल्थ साइंस कॉलेज रे पढ़िबा और सभी को स्वास्थ्य सेवा जोगाई दो।